In this video, I'll show you how to see cash flow statement in QuickBooks. Start by signing into your QuickBooks online account. I'm already logged in, but on your end, you'll first see a sign-in page. Enter your credentials to access your company dashboard. Once you're inside QuickBooks, simply click Reports from the left navigation menu. At the top of the Reports page, click the search bar and type Statement of Cash Flows. Select the report when it appears. QuickBooks will open the Statement of Cash Flows report, which shows how cash moved into and out of your business during a specific period. Near the top of the report, you'll see a date range selector. Choose the period you want to review, such as this month, last quarter, or the current fiscal year. After selecting the date, click Refresh to see the updated report. The report is divided into three main sections. The first section is Operating Activities, which shows cash generated from your normal business operations. The second section is Net Cash from Operating Activities. The third section is Financing Activities, which reflects cash related to loans, owner contributions, and other financing transactions. At the bottom of the report, you'll see the net increase or decrease in cash, along with your beginning and ending cash balances. If you want to make adjustments to the report, click the Customize button near the top right. From there, you can change the date range, apply filters, and modify how the information is displayed. You can also export the report to Excel or download it as a PDF using the export icon at the top of the page. Regularly reviewing your cash flow statement helps you understand how money moves through your business and can help you make better financial decisions. And that's how to see cash flow statement in QuickBooks.